How to add location on Snapchat public profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to add a business or creator location to your Snapchat public profile on iOS or Android. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your Snapchat application and then you're gonna click on chats here at the bottom left. And then you're gonna click on your profile here at the top left, and then you're gonna click on public profile. And here you'll be able to see a pencil icon at the top, so simply click on that and then you're going to click on location. And here you're going to type down your location, and here I'm going to simply type down a province, and you can type down the country, and once done you can simply click on done, and all of the Snapchatters would be able to view your location. So just type down the correct location that Snapchat will pick, and that's it. That was basically how you can add location on Snapchat public profile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.